Muthenya umwe Itina wa Maovisaa ma Volisi Kuvithukia Mauvisi ma Ngavana wa Kaunti Ilovi Johnson atha Sakaja Mayenda Umwikia Mbini Nundu wa Kulea Kuvika Mbee wa Nzama ya Senate ila Ikunikilaa Mitumiile ya Ilovia sia Mwenenthi Silikalini sia Mitiuuko kana sipak yu Nzama ya Mangavana COG ni atula Muti munene wa Volisi Kanja kwa kila meomweta ukwateanite na maseneta Kumanyamasya na kuvaka ndaka Mangavana COG ingi ni vitakana Mangavana mayesa uvika Mbee wa Nzama ya sipak na vala methi tumayumitula Muti kwa kwitia Mangavana ivaki kavinakala mavika Mbee wayo kavinane Sakaja ni mwasa kumela mbungeni na ailesia Kulea kuyaniwa kwake ni utui wa Nzama ya sipak wa kwenda ekiwe Mbini Angelina Mose na Ilovi.
Nzama ya Mangavana kwa Islamwene kivila wa Ahmed Abdillahi yunia wetkana Mangavana mayevikia kuvika Mbee wa komiti ya kuthima Kutumiwa Ilovia sia Mwenenthi bungeni ya Senate nginyaila mavata mona alama umetie kukwanya Nzama kuthinikiwa undu vailite.
And we sought audience with the leadership of the Senate. And we continue to seek audience. And in principle, certain members of the leadership continue telling us, yes, we hear you, we need to talk. But on the other hand, the committee continues behaving in a very intransigent manner, and they continue to embarrass themselves. Because when you summon governors and they don't show up, or those who show up refuse to prosecute the matter, they're also embarrassing themselves.
Mangavana ani maumania vanene kisanga kila kikosi yu Muthenyani wa iyo utuku vala Maovisaa ma Volisi meyumiliti kumwikia Mbini Gavana Kaunti Ilovi Johnson Sakaja vala matula Muti Inspekta General wa Volisi Kanja kwa kukwatiane na maseneta Kumanyamasya Gavana Sakaja vala makule Speaker wa mbunge ya Senate Amason Kingi kulikililia kisanga ki.
Let our administration, including the police, not be used by politicians to settle political scores. I've listened to what the senators sometimes say, that we would like a certain governor to be brought in chains in front of Senate committee. How do you bring a governor in chains in front of a committee? How does that contribute to engagement in terms of oversight with the Auditor General and the Senate? Because that sounds like a war, it sounds like a fight.
When a governor is insulted, they're embarrassed and humiliated in the presence of their juniors, of their staff, and when also governors raise allegations of extortion, is that part of the decorum that the court added in our appearance at Senate? That's a matter that we're trying to resolve.
Kavindane kauna ke Gavana wa Kaunti Ilovi Johnson Sakaja niwa wetkana ndevikia kuvika Mbee wa komiti nginyaila makuvikia kuwasi wa matambia ni kumana na kumaluluti chaki Ilovia mwa Mangavana ingia wetkana ndana ofisini Kavindane kala Maovisaa ma Volisi manenda kumwikia Mbini Muthenyani wa iyo.
I think as a leader, what for me is imperative, first of all, is to make it very clear, that accountability is extremely important. But accountability must be done in the right way, pursuant to what the law provides for us. And I've never had an issue appearing. Last week I was here, today different committee, next week we'll always come.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa Mauvoni tawa Angelina Mose.